Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monak. Today I need to do some problem of integration. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Let's start. You see next question. Integrate the following. This is question number 5, bit 1. Sin ax minus sin bx by cos ax minus cos bx dx. Okay. You know the formula sin c minus sin d. Okay, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, again cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, now you put this formula here is equal to, you see, 2 cos ax plus bx by 2 into sin ax minus bx by 2 divide 2 minus 2 sin c plus d, that is ax plus bx by 2 into sin ax minus bx by 2. You see, sin x minus bx by 2, this is dx here, sin x minus bx by 2, here also sin x minus bx by 2, these two will cancel out. You see, 2 will cancel out, is equal to minus cos x plus b by 2, that is cos x plus bx by 2 by sin x plus bx by 2, that is cot ax plus bx by 2 integration. Okay, now you put here dx. Okay, now you put ax plus bx by 2 is equal to t. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So here 1 by 2 is constant, derivative of x is equal to a, derivative of bx is equal to b, dx is equal to dt. Okay, is equal to minus integration of cot, this is t, dx is equal to how much, 2 dt by a plus b. So you write 2 dt by a plus b, okay, is equal to minus 1 by a plus b integration of cot t, here 2 by a plus b, keep 2 outside, t dt is equal to minus 2 by a plus b ln sin t plus c. Okay, is equal to, you see, is equal to minus 2 by a plus b ln sin t is equal to 2 dt, t is equal to ax plus bx by 2 plus c. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. You see the next problem. Integration of cos px plus cos qx by sin px plus sin qx dx. You know the formula cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, here you put the formula integration of 2 cos px plus qx by 2. Okay, into cos px minus qx by 2 divide 2 sin px plus qx by 2 into cos px minus qx by 2. Here you see cos px minus qx, and here also cos px minus qx. Okay, so these two will cancel out, and this 2 and this 2 will also cancel out. We can get cot px plus qx by 2. You see cos px plus qx by 2 sin px plus qx by 2, that is cot px plus qx by 2. Now you put px plus qx by 2 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So here 1 by 2 is constant, derivative of px is equal to p plus q dx is equal to dt. We need dx, that is dx is equal to 2 dt by p plus q. Okay, is equal to, you write here 2 by p plus q, taking common, because dx is equal to 2 dt by p plus q. 2 by p plus q integration of cot t dx equal to 2 dt by pxq. 2 by pxq already I have taken common, so this is equal to dt. Okay, is equal to 2 by p plus q ln sin t, integration of cot t, that is ln sin t plus c, is equal to 2 by p plus q ln sin t is equal to p plus q, write down p plus q by 2 into x plus c. I have taken common x. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given integration of sin 4x minus sin 2x by cos x dx. You see here given sin c minus sin d. Okay, you know the formula, sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here you apply this formula, sin 4x minus sin 2x is equal to 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 into sin 4x minus 2x by 2. Okay, so divide cos x is equal to 2 cos 4x plus 2x, that is 6x cos 3x, 6x by 2 cos 3x. Okay, into sin 4x minus 2x, that is 2x by 2 sin x by cos x dx. Okay, here you see cos 3x, you know the formula, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. Okay, you put the formula 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x is equal to 2 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x divide cos x into sin x dx. Okay, now you put at first you divide with cos x, you can get 2, you see 4 cos square x minus 3 sin x dx. Now you put cos x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, sin x dx, we need how much? We need sin x dx. Sin x dx equal to minus dt is equal to minus dt. So here you see 2 is common, taking minus sin minus 2, 4 cos x is equal to t, that is 4t square minus 3 sin x dx, that is dt. I have taken the minus sign outside. Okay, so minus 2 4 t square integration of t square, that is t q by 3 4 by 3 t q minus 3t plus c is equal to minus 2. You multiply with 2, you can get minus 8 by 3 t is equal to cos x, that is cos qx minus minus plus 6t, t is equal to cos x plus c. Here I can also write 6 cos x minus 8 by 3 cos qx plus c. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given integration of sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. Now you put a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. This is an important question for plus 2 examination. Okay, is equal to t, you say, differentiate with respect to x. A is constant, a cos square x, derivative of cos square x, that is 2 cos x, again derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, a derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, plus b sin square x, derivative of sin square x is equal to 2 sin x into derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and c is the constant. Okay, derivative constant equal 0, I can write dt by dx. Okay, here you see 2a, you can get 2a or a 2 sin x into cos x plus b 2 sin x into cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay, this is equal to how much? Sin 2x. Okay, so minus a sin 2x plus b, you write here like b minus, you write it first, b minus a sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x equal to sin 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, here you see we need sin 2x dx, so I can write here sin 2x dx is equal to dt by b minus a. Okay, so is equal to, you see, 1 by b minus a, taking common 1 by b minus a, this much is equal to dt by t. Okay, is equal to 1 by b minus a, this is ln t plus c, is equal to 1 by b minus a ln t is equal to how much? A cos square x plus b sin square x plus c plus k. You see already you have used C here, so don't use C again here. In this case you write K, okay, plus K. K is also any arbitrary constant. Here you see question number 4 number 8, that is cot 6 theta. This is an important question in this session. And number 5, all questions are important, okay.